Guys, it's time for lunch now. Elvira here. I'm going to show you a little stir fry recipe that I love, and I make it all the time. And the first thing we're going to do is get a cup of water. And the calories, this makes 4 servings. And believe it or not, it's only 125 calories. So we're going to use a cup of water. And then get the cup of water here with our water boiling. And then we're going to get our stir fry or wok going. And we got our wok going. We're going to get it on high. We're going to use some grape leaf oil, grapeseed oil rather. And then what we're gonna do, soy sauce, rice going here. You're gonna use soy sauce and basil and about 4 tablespoons. Tablespoons there. So now that we know this is out, we got our stuff here now. So now we're gonna chop up our, first we're gonna get the rice going. Put that off there for a minute. Rice here. Ooh. Take this off for a minute. So we're gonna get that. Put this down. Oops, sorry guys. Then we get rice here. There we go. So now we got our rice. We're gonna take it off here in a minute. And okay, put that over there. Leave that sit. Sit there. We're gonna get our spinach. We're gonna chop up some spinach here. Throw in our wok. Okay. about 20 calories. Pop this up real good. So now, okay, so we're going to put it in there. This on high. We're going to put this in a bowl. Just a bag of any kind of vegetables that you want. Yummy for the tummy. And throw them a little bit like this to get it mixed up really good with our hands. That. We're gonna take it over here, guys. Forgotcha. And we are going to put it in the pan. Down. And all you're gonna do for the seasoning here is you're going to do basil, a little bit of, about a tablespoon of sea salt, or not sea salt, regular salt, a tablespoon of pepper. Then we're going to get basil. Let's see, basil. Basil. About a tablespoon of basil. Then we're going to turn this up a little bit. I'm going to put this lid, where's my lid? Then check on our rice here. Oh, yes. Done. Let's mix this up because we're going to need it. And what I do too is I also add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, and the reason is because it's no calories. And I do that. About a tablespoon of that, because you want it to, about 2 tablespoons. And that's it. And it's really yummy because it's like, it's just, it's really good, and it's, you know, it's healthy, and stir fry really isn't that hard to make. A lot of people think it is, but it's all about the technique of getting the, what do you call it? It's all about the techniques, really. It's really about techniques and, you know, getting things just cooking it, and that's really the thing, and how to get it waxed. Sometimes I use different, you know, things, but this here is just something quick and easy. And I just get the pan ready with the, you know, oil. Sometimes I'll put different seasonings in, but I'm just making a regular stir fry today because I know a lot of people don't have the money to buy like you know, ginger root, which is like $2.98 a pound and stuff like that. So I'm making it that it's healthy, which it's healthy the other way too, but some people can't afford this easily. So what I'm doing is just showing you what you can do on a budget, or if, you know, if you can't, you know, you don't have a lot of money to buy those seasonings and stuff. This way you're good. So then we're going to leave it simmer like that. And then we'll mix our stuff up a little more. This. I'm going to taste it. Perfect. Perfect. And this is a healthy lunch for 125 calories. It makes 4 1/2 cup servings. And I'm really a big stickler on that. I did really good this weekend, guys. I was up at my waterfront property, the lake house, and I actually did good on my eating. I didn't gain any weight. I maintained my 178. Yes, because last year I had an issue, and I even drank some drinks. Got a little smoked a couple nights, but smoked, I mean like too much to drink. But it was okay because I was sitting in my trailer and I had to clean it, and I had been to the islands the day before, and it was just like or the next day it was just very, very stressful, because when you're riding that ferry and you're getting over there, that Lake Erie is probably one of the most dangerous lakes in the world, and it costs the most lives every year, and you really got to know that lake. And I grew up in that area, so I know the lake and stuff, and so I went there, and that's why I came home to do the cooking show, because I just didn't have everything ready to go up there. We finally did. I got everything, but so this is where we're at. And it's going to be 2 videos, guys. I'm going to have to do 2. There's no other way around it. Okay. Well, guys, I'm going to break here, and I'll be right back, and I'll show you the end results. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe.